Then there's the consumable or service sale, or the non-tangible sale, which is the service sale. And these are the not capital sale, but more like the consumable sale, more like the shampoo, not like the car. And those consumables could be injectables that the physician gives to the patient, could be wound care products, bandages, it could be reagents in the laboratory, the reagents that run the equipment, it could be sterilization consumable products. Remember, sterilization products probably have a large capital component to them as well. I actually have a client customer who has $1 million piece of equipment that they sell for sterilization. It could be special lotions and potions and all those things. It could be various pharmaceutical products, even like aspirin, Tylenol, those things that are given to the patients within the hospital. The other non-capital sale is service sales, and service sales are non-tangible, and that makes them difficult. Not as difficult as a capital sale perhaps, but very difficult because the customer can't feel, hold, smell, touch, whatever the product. So the consumable sale was something they could still touch. The service sale they can't. The service sale could be an off-site laboratory that would do your laboratory testing for you, an off-site imaging group that would do your radiology, sleep labs, payroll, paychecks, ADP, those folks. Now, I'm not saying that that's a medical process there, but that's a service sale that they're providing. Human resource outsourcing, we hear a lot about that. Even recruiting, what I provide, I'm actually providing a service. I recruit. There's different types of recruiting. There's permanent, contract, interim, those kinds of things, where I can't call up a client and say, here's my product. I actually have to demonstrate my service to them, and it requires it's a little bit more difficult sale than something that the customer can touch. So we've talked about the different kinds of sales, comparing them between capital and non-capital, tangible and non-tangible. Then there's you that we have to talk about. And you have to think about yourself, and you have to be honest with yourself, because if you're not, none of this will help. And that is, you've got to determine, are you a hunter or are you a gatherer? And I know that sounds strange, but the hunter is the person who likes to kill or make the clothes. A hunter should be in a capital sale, a software sale, equipment sale, a consumable sale, or a service sale. Could be in any one of those things. But that person likes to go out and get new business, hunts up new business to kill and eat, right? A gatherer is someone more like a farmer who wants to tend the field, make sure that the soil is prepared and ready for the seed bed, and then once you plant the seed, hopefully the idea will grow that they will use your business. So the gatherer is someone who likes to make many calls on the same customers, enjoys building the relationships, wants a continued relationship, likes to provide service to the customer, provide the highest quality service and responsiveness to the customer. That's a gatherer. A hunter only wants to deal with the customer long enough to make the sale, and at that point they're ready to move on to the next sale. So you've got to ask yourself, are you a hunter or a gatherer? And a hunter is typically someone who needs to sell the high dollar, get a purchase order, have many people involved in the process. The gatherer is going to be someone that's going to be much lower dollar but multiple overtime sales.